What is bee sting? Bee sting are common outdoor nuisance. In most cases, bee sting are just annoying and home treatment is at all that necessary to ease the pain of bee stings. But if you are allergic to bee stings or you get stung numerous times, you may have more stings. Find out how to treat them if you get sting. What are the symptoms? Bee sting can produce different reactions ranging from temporary pain and discomfort to a severe allergic reaction. Have one type of reaction does not mean you always have same reaction every time you are stung, or that next reaction will be more severe. Mild reaction. Most of the time, bee sting symptoms are minor and include instant sharp burning pain at the sting site, a red welt at the sting area, slight swelling around the sting area. In most people, the swelling and pain go away within a few hours. Moderate reaction. Some people who get stung by a bee or other insect have a bit stronger reaction with signs and symptoms such as extreme redness, swelling at the site of the sting that gradually enlarge over the next day or two. Moderate reaction tend to resolve over 5 to 10 days. Having a moderate reaction does not mean you will have a severe allergic reaction the next time you stung, but some people develop several similar moderate reaction each time they are stung. If this happens to you, talk to your doctor about treatment and prevention, especially if the reaction become more severe each time. Severe allergic reaction. A severe allergic reaction anaphylaxis to bee sting is potentially life-threatening, and a small percentage of people who are stung by a bee or other insect quickly develop anaphylaxis. Sign and symptom of anaphylaxis include skin reaction including hives and itching and flushed or pale skin, difficulty in breathing, swelling of throat and tongue, a weak rapid pulse, nausea, vomiting and diarrhea, dizziness or fainting, loss of consciousness. People who have severe allergic reaction to a bee sting have a 30 to 60% chances of anaphylaxis the next time they are stung. Talk to your doctor or an allergy specialist about prevention measures such as immunotherapy, allergy shot to avoid a similar reaction in case you get stung again. What is multiple bee stings? Generally, insects such as bees and wasps aren't aggressive and only sting in self-defense. In most cases, this results in one or perhaps a few stings. In some cases, person will disrupt a hive or swarm of bees and get multiple stings. Some types of bees, such as Africanized honeybee, are more likely than are other bees to swarm stinging in a group. If you get stung more than dozen times, the accumulation of venom may induce a toxic reaction and may you feel quite sick. Signs and symptoms include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, headache, a feeling of spinning, convulsion, fever, dizziness. When to see the doctor? In most cases, bee sting does not require to visit doctor. In more severe cases, you need to immediate care. Call 911 emergency call. What are the causes? To sting, a bee jab or barbed stinger into the skin. Bee sting venom contain protein that affects skin cells and immune system, causing pain and swelling around the sting area. In people with the bee sting allergy, bee venom can trigger a more serious immune system reaction. What are the risk factors? You are at increased risk of bee sting if you live in an area where bees are especially active or with beehives nearby. Your work or hobbies require spending time outside. You are more likely to have an allergic reaction to bee sting if you have had an allergic reaction to a bee sting in the past, even if it was a minor. Adults tend to have more severe reaction than children and do more likely to die of anaphylaxis than children are. What are the prevention? The following tips can help reduce your risk of getting stung by bees. Take care when drinking sweet beverages outside. Wide open cups may be your best option because you can see if a bee is in them. Inspect if the can and straw before drinking from them. Tightly cover food container and trash can. Clear away garbage, pollen brood, and dogs or Other animal species wear closed-toed shoes when walking outside.